Para ma-wrap up, kasi yung iba naka-file na sa korte. So, bound na kami ng sub-judice rule. We cannot anymore, elicit much information. So, isang consideration yon bakit kailangan i-wrap up namin. But I think, by and large, we have contributed a lot to the efforts of the national government to get to the bottom of at least in some areas.
Sir,
no, pag nakompleto na yung partial committee report and kung mag-wrap up na, the committee report na talaga. And then we'll be submitting recommendations. Kasi remember, dalawa naman yung aspeto ng mandate. In aid of legislation, yung isa naman, investigation. Pag investigation, sabihin, pwede mag-file ng, o mag-recommend ng filing of charges. Which we already did, actually, initially. No? Yung ibang information na kuha namin, naipasa na namin sa ICI, naipasa namin sa DOJ.
So
na rin kami na i-recommend na filing of charges. And we incorporated yung mga ebidensya na kailangan. Di ba, wala yung si Diskaya sa amin.
Sorry, district engineer, sir.
Yeah.